make a movie. You play the starring role and I'll direct you on where to go. You make a movie. Up and down, around, baby.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I always say it like that, but welcome back. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your lace front look very natural without doing baby hairs, okay? I'm using a wig from rpghair.com. Of course, this is the box it came in. This is a pre-plucked 360 lace frontal wig, and it's a silky straight Brazilian virgin hair. All right, it's of a natural hair color. It's 150% in density. Yes, the knots are bleached, like it was bleached perfectly. I didn't have to go in and, you know, do any further customization with the lace at all. Very happy. As you can see, there are combs inside and all that good stuff. Yes, you can see that it is pre-plucked, but today, like, one of the main parts of this video is just me showing you guys how I did further customization of the frontal so that it could come off a little bit more natural. I mean, it's nice as is, but I really wanted to get it like very natural looking. So I'm going in with some water. I'm just wetting the area that I'm going to be plucking further, which is, you know, the front right across the hairline. And then I'm going to proceed. I'm going to take my rat tail comb. All right, so what I do is I kind of section off a thin line there in the front, like I do it in sections. So I start from one side, then the middle, then the next side. So as you can see, you see the lace? Yes, it's bleached perfectly and it matches my skin tone well. I'm just, you know, further wetting the area because this way it's easier to tweeze out the hairs that we don't want, you know, rather as opposed to if it was dry. So now I took my tweezers and I basically just start working in that section. So it's kind of hard to explain. So basically I'm just kind of sectioning off sections within this section that I parted out. So it's like I took tiny little sections and I tweezed in between those sections, and you see it as I go along. So as you can see, it's like I don't like tweeze one big chunk out, but I take my time and tweeze little hairs out from little sections. I don't know if that even makes sense, but you see what I'm trying to say? Like, it's thinning as I go along, and you can see the definition a little bit more. So you can see that there are areas that are tweezed more in between. So at this point, it's really thin, and I really focus on thinning out the front here, but not to the point where it looks like a bald spot at all. We do not want that. And this is how much hair I've plucked so far. After I do that section, and I go again and I part out another section, but this time I do not tweeze as much as I did in the front. It's kind of, you know, it's way less, but we want a nice graduation so that everything can just flow and it doesn't look like, oh, we just tweezed one line off here and then everything is just straight, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So it's like, you know, we have a nice graduation going on. So after I'm done, I just pretty much comb it back, and you can see what I'm saying, right? So yeah, I know it looks pretty thin in the front, but trust me, when I put this on my head, trust me, it made sense. So this is how that side looked that I tweezed, and then this is the side that isn't tweezed. Well, I didn't go in with further tweezing as yet, or further customization as yet. So you see the difference, right? Okay, so now I just proceeded to doing the other side and the middle as well, and this is how everything looks. You know, it's not too precise. We definitely took out way more hair than how it came, and this is exactly what I was going for. So now that I'm done with that, what I move on to do is just taking off the extra lace. And I don't do it in a perfect line. I just kind of follow the hairline and how I kind of tweezed everything, and I get it as close to the hairline as possible without cutting off any of the hair. You want to be careful with that. And I now will just go ahead and try to just lay all the hair in the front without creating baby hair. So this part is very crucial. I take my hot comb, and the name of this is Hype Hair. Yes, I've had this for a very long time, don't really use it much. And then you also want your holding spray, and this is from Luster's Pink. All right, and I'm just gonna spray each section that I'm working on at a time. I comb through it, and then I proceed to comb through it again with the hot comb, and this just helps everything to lay flat and just go in one direction. You see how nicely everything is looking there? Very nice, right? Yes, without baby hairs. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I love baby hairs. I'll never stop doing them. This is just for all my people that, you know, is not that fond of the baby hairs. I know there's a lot of people out there who, you know, is not really into all of that, and that's fine. Everybody's different, and that's fine. Everybody couldn't be the same. All right, so this just goes out to everybody that's been interested in seeing a natural hairline, or a hairline that it looks natural and you don't have to do baby hairs. So after doing all of that, I go in with my Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel. Yes, gel, not glue. All right, and I take my fingers and just apply a generous amount to my natural hairline here, and this is what helps the wig to lay in the front. All right, I proceed to just applying the wig to my head, and this is how we're looking. Pretty nice, right? And it's not even laid yet. Yes, so I pretty much just pull down on that. I use the end part of my comb to kind of help everything to lay, and then I take this little scarf, yes, and this is what I'm gonna leave on the edges for like around 10 minutes to just help everything to lay better and get really secured. And then after that 10 minutes, I go ahead and remove it, and voila, looking pretty nice, right? It looks very melted, and it just looks really flawless. I love it. As you can see, the lace matched my skin perfectly, and this is how it came. All I had to do was really go in and you know, tweeze some more hair out, but this is what we have. I absolutely love the results. Hope you guys love it too, and I hope this was informative enough for you guys. If it was, let me know. And you know, don't forget to give this video a thumb up if you guys decide to go ahead and get this pre-plucked 360 Brazilian wig. The link is in the description box. Don't forget to go ahead and use my codes SUE15 and PETITE10. Also, I have my own section on rpghair.com now. Yes, you can go to my own page on rpghair.com and select this or any other wig that I've worn in the past that you're interested in, you know, wearing, or just, you know, getting that look. Yes, you can go ahead. This is it. Check it out. The direct link will be in my description box. It's also linked to my channel. I really appreciate all the people that have supported me so far with purchasing a wig and using my code. It means a lot. This is it for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, I'm your girl, Petite. Bye.